Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I thought of an idea for making some colored circles for journaling and mixed media. I had some in a recent Your Creative Studio box, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to make my own. I'm just using some white sticker paper that I got off Amazon, and I'll put the link down below. And then I went on my Silhouette and made teeny circles. I think those are 1/2 inch. My Silhouette was kind of doing its own thing, which was not what I wanted it to do. So I cut some off, so I got 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and then 1 inch circles, all different sizes. I don't know if you can see them. Should be able to. You'll see them once I start painting. So I'm going to use my new gorgeous vintage pastels. Oh, I love them. So I will get these a little wet, and then we'll get started. I will be right back. So I did some already. I just added a little bit of the premium metallics on those, and on here I did not. So I already put some in my little book, just so you can kind of see how they look. Kind of liking them. There's some more. And then here are the ones from the kit with mine, not that one, with mine added. So, and I know they sell, like, if you don't have a cutter, they do sell packs. I think they're for sales, like little sales tags or whatever, of circles. And I know the Dollar Tree ones are shiny, so it didn't work with them, but I know office stores, office supply stores carry them, and they're just regular paper. So I think I'm going to do some metallic ones. And you do want a good amount of water. This is just kind of a partial circle up there, but I think it's almost full. I'll try. I like the metallics too. I love Prima watercolors, though. They're so nice. Nice and creamy. I'm going to try something though, different. The paper soaks up the water right away, so that's not going to work. Because again, this is just sticker paper, it's not watercolor. So that kind of method isn't going to work. How much that lasts. Those are done. I think I'm gonna keep going. I might use some other palettes for these. So I'm gonna let these dry and I'll be back. I finished all my stickers. I still have some left to do, but I can save that for another project. But I wanted to do kind of some Valentine colors because I've got some projects coming up with that in mind. So I added kind of chocolate color for, you know, chocolate Valentines. And then I spritzed, or I just kind of dripped, or whatever you want to call it, splattered gold Prima Metallic on it. And if you don't have these, find them. They're so awesome. I think all the Primas, like I said earlier, I really like their watercolors. They're super creamy, and they last a long time. So this one is with the Pastel Dreams. Those are these colors. Kind of a funny brown, but it's made it nice and chocolatey. And then these are the vintage pastels with additional metallic. These are just the vintage pastels. And that's vintage pastel plus the metallic. And I splattered these with gold also. So, I did put some in my little journal about my daddykins. So I just added some more here and there just to see if I liked how they were turning out, and I do. And then again, here's some more. Here are the original ones from the Your Creative Studio stationery kit, and then some more of mine. So, thanks to Your Creative Studio for giving me the inspiration. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.